Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Piyush Fulara. Today I'm going to tell you why you should get your treatment from a registered homeopathic physician only, because nowadays people are trying different medicines by watching them from any online YouTube video or getting a reference from any known person who had similar disease. Now, in such cases of diseases and medicines, you won't get satisfactory results, and on a longer run, it can cause life-threatening problems. Now, I'm going to tell you how a proper homeopathic consultation from a registered homeopathic physician is a must and brings many changes via an example from my own clinic. So stay tuned in this video and I'll show you why a proper consultation from a doctor is a must for getting cured of your disease. So quite recently I had a patient of rectal bleeding. This patient tried home remedies as well as medicines from a medical store like tranexamic acid, but he was not getting satisfactory results. He visited my clinic with complaints of severe exhaustion post persistent bleeding from his stools. Now this is where a homeopathic consultation from a registered doctor matters, because he came to my clinic. I measured his blood pressure, which was around 95 by 65, which is severe hypotension, and I also observed the color of his eye, which was pale. So the clinical symptoms were about him being anemic post blood discharge. Now I also ordered hemoglobin and iron test to rule out any other anomaly and also get the severity of his actual blood loss. Now other than that, I also asked him what is the color of the blood that is coming in the stools. Now why this color matters is for the diagnosis and the perfect medicine. Now if it would have been a bright color discharge in the stool, then the medicine would have been millefolium, as you can see here. So this is the diagnosis for an anal fissure as well. Now if it would have been a venous discharge, so this would have been the medicine for Hemamelis virginica. So in this medicine, the swollen piles, bleeding piles are covered, dark venous discharge. Now other than that, if there are black tarry stools, then it refers to either IBD. If it is also having some psychological problems, then IBS. But in those cases, the medicine would have been Leptendra in cases of very black tarry stools because of intestinal hemorrhage. Now after these medicines, I also asked him a few questions in which the most prominent symptom was that he always liked cold things, that is ice cream, cold water. He just can't tolerate anything hot. So other than that, it also covers the hemorrhagic tendency and the piles. So I've prescribed him this medicine called phosphorus 30, as you can see here in this globules. Now what I did is made phosphorus 30 in this globules, and I mixed Hemamelis virginica and some Mangifera indica and also Cynodon dactylon in this 30 ml dropper, and I told him to take this at large to small doses. That is, the first day 20 to 25 drops, the second day 15 drops, and we'll just taper down the dosage. However, he'll have to take phosphorus 30 until the complete cessation of this problem. Now this is where it matters. For the instant relief, the pain he is tolerating, I have given him this Aloes ointment for painful hemorrhoids. Now other than that, there are many medicines like Renzef, FP ointment, Esculus for non-bleeding piles, and other than that, there is also patent medicines like Pilonet, which covers all the medicines like Esculus, Collinsonia, Hemamelis, Peonia, Sulfur. But what matters is what is his actual problem and what is the usage of these medicines in those problems. And after his blood work came, it showed me the hemoglobin of around 10.2 and also his iron were low. So in that case, you can also say he was having microcytic hypochromic anemia. And in those cases also, the other medicines for increasing his blood and increasing his hemoglobin and iron were prescribed. These are all the things that only a doctor knows about treatment. So if you would have taken a self-treatment or asked medicines from somebody else, would have he got such brilliant results? Now he is completely okay. But this is where it matters. So that's why we keep on saying never go for self-prescription and always visit a nearby homeopathic physician for any problem. And if you want to get any online consultation from us, the number will be flashing in the screen. You can contact us here, drop us a WhatsApp message, and our team will contact you regarding the consultation and other details. So this was all about it. I hope you liked this video. This video was very knowledgeable to patients who are trying self-prescription medicines from YouTube and other references. So that was all about it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. This is Dr. Piyush Fulara from Kailash Multispeciality Clinic.